Hey everybody, my name is Michael McClintock, and today I would like to teach you how to play Agua De Beber, or Water to Drink. We're going to open up on an A minor 7 in open position. I'm going to go to a B7 and then to an E7 with a flat 9. And we're going to go back to A minor 7. On the Jobim version I was listening to, the guitar player always repeats that idea. But for me, the second time, I like to go to a B7 sharp 9 to an E7 with a flat 13, just for some variation. We go back to A minor 7, and the first time we're going to go to a D minor over A, and then back to A minor 7, and then the little piano lick does this. So for me, I'm thinking of an A minor triad, and then we have a G, and then back to A. Now we're going to repeat the introduction again. A minor 7, B7, E7 with a flat 9, A minor 7, B7 sharp 9, E7 flat 13, A minor 7, and then the second time we go to an F major 7, and then back to A minor 7, and we just stay on that. Now we're going to go to a B7, an E7 flat 9 again, and 2 measures of A minor 7. D minor 9, G13, and then G7 to a C major 9. And I also like to throw an open E on that chord. And now we're going to do a B7, a B flat 7, an A minor 7, a G sharp diminished, to a C9 over a G, to a B7 sharp 9 over F sharp. Right? Then we've got our B7 flat 9. I do an E9 sus, back to A minor 7 for 2 more measures. And now for the B section, we have a D7, a D minor 7, and an A minor 7. We're going to do that again. D7, D minor 7, A minor 7, and then we're going to do that a third time. D7, D minor 7, A7. And those are all the chords for the whole song. The Jobim version goes back to the A, back to the B, and then they end on the introduction. And so that's the form of the whole tune. So nice and slow with the introduction, the A section, the B section, and then the introduction again for the ending will sound like this. found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving me a like. I really appreciate it.